Having a lovely big windscreen is nothing if you can't see through it because of the rain. And we're going to be talking about windscreen wipers. Today I'm going to be replacing my terrible, check out how bad that one is, windscreen wipers with some brand new ones. Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Damian. Welcome aboard Antoinette, our Merry Fisher 895. And I'm going to be replacing the windscreen wipers because they're in a shocking condition. They're all corroding. And let's go inside. I'll put this one down just so we can see how bad it is. Now, I've already replaced one of them just to check that I could do it. But I'll just go inside. All right. Can you see that? It is missing most of the windscreen. And it's actually flexing up. So it is just so old that it's just not working anymore. We'll save the results of the new one to the end of the video. Let's go back outside. Now, one thing you might note is that a lot of the water is running away by itself. So if you use a product like this, Rain-X, it beads the water on the windscreen, so a lot of it runs away. But at some point you do need to have these windscreen wipers working. This all started, a friend of ours wanted to replace their windscreen wipers on the Merry Fisher 795, and there was a bit of trouble trying to figure out which windscreen wiper to get. Then they came and they got these. So if you're looking for windscreen wipers for the Jeanneau Merry Fisher, these are the ones that you need. But what I've realized is my fitting is completely different to the Merry Fisher 795, at least the more recent ones, and possibly the more recent 895s. Mine is a very simple changeover, but this brand has a whole bunch of some of those other attachments. And they're the A7 and B9 attachments. So I don't know what they are, but if you need that, this one has them. All right, let's get to it. For me, the process is pretty easy. Just need a couple of tools. And what I'd also suggest you have is a towel here. So if anything does drop over, falls on the towel and doesn't roll away. I've got vice grips, so I'm just gonna put that on the bolt on the little nut. So when it does come away, I've still got a grip on it. So as I said, this is super easy, but the model of windscreen wiper we've got does accommodate lots of different versions. Friend Michael, who started this whole thing off because he wanted to replace his, is in the Queensland Jeanneau Powerboat Owners group. So if you know someone with okay. Here's the bit that when you lose it, so just gently place that on the towel, gently pull that out, and there we go, windscreen wiper off. So yeah, he's in the Jeanneau Powerboat Owners group and found these ones. So it's called Roca. It's 508 millimeters, 20 inches. Yeah, so I'll put the things in the comments if you want to find them, but it does have a bunch of attachments in there for different types of windscreen wiper setups. But for me, I don't need any of those attachments. I've just got this one, so there's no up or down. No need to do it up heaps tight because it's got Loctite on the nut. There we go. All done. Only one thing left to do. Let's go inside and test this all works as hoped. Let's turn it around and have a taste. Oh, beautiful. Can see it taking all the water off and not flexing off the windscreen. Well, that was about as simple a job as you can get on a boat, but well worth it for that next rainstorm that comes through and blocks all my vision. I hope you liked that video. As I mentioned, if you do own a Jeanneau powerboat in Queensland, Australia, get in touch. We've just started a new owners group, so we want to do some raft ups and other events. So get in touch and we can join up. If you've got any questions about that and about the product, have a look in the comments down below, and we'll see you next time on the Rudder.